Hi everyone. In this session we are going to solve some rational equations and we are going to check what our answers would be. So here the question number 1 says if A is not equal to B, which of the following is equivalent to A over A minus B plus B over B minus A? So you have been given 4 options. So you can try this out and then you can check your answers as well. So let us solve together. That's you have the denominator of A minus B and B minus A. Now what I'm going to do here is I can just take out a negative sign common from the denominator and multiply both numerator and denominator with a negative sign so that I get a same denominator as of the first one, that's A minus B. So let's see. A over A minus B. I'm going to keep the plus as it is for you to understand. Then I'm going to have a negative B. I'm multiplying numerator and denominator both with negative signs. So now what I'll have, A over A minus B. Plus into minus will give you minus B over, now you are just multiplying, opening the brackets and multiplying the negative sign. So that's negative B. And negative makes it positive A, so you have a positive A and a negative B. So now you got the denominators same, so you can simply add the numerators, add or subtract the numerators. So your answer is A minus B divided by A minus B, and that's equal to 1. So your answer is A. Alright, now let's see what question number 2 is. So if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, which of the following is equivalent to 1 over x minus 1 over y over 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared? So you have been given 4 options. You can try that out and you can check your answers as well here. Okay, how are we going to solve this? So it's basically, we can take LCMs or you can multiply and divide numerator by x, y together, or let me take the LCMs for the first numerator and denominator. So I'm going to write it down here. Here you have the LCM of x and y. Next, I'll have the numerator as y minus x. Here I have the LCM of x squared, y squared. And my numerator goes y squared minus x squared. And now what do we have? The outsides multiply and the insides multiply. So we are going to write down, as this is a part of numerator, it will stay in numerator, y minus x into, we have x squared y squared divided by, now we have, this is a part of denominator, so it stays in denominator, and that is multiplied with the numerator of the second part, that's y squared minus x squared. Now we can cancel out 1x and y, that's x and y. Alright, so we have y minus x and xy multiplied together, so y squared minus x squared. Now this is an identity, that's a squared minus b squared, so you can expand it, y minus x into xy divided by, you have y minus x into y plus x. So you have y minus x, y minus x cancelled out, so your answer is xy over x plus y. That's your option C. Alright, let's see if we can solve question number 3. Okay, question number 3 here says you have an expression k plus 1 the whole square over k equals to 4k. What is the solution set of the equation above? So either it can be a single digit or you can have 2 solutions for the same equation. So you can try this out and you can check out the answers here. Okay. Let's see. Now how do you find the solution set of any equation? If at all you have a quadratic equation, you have 2 solutions. For cubic equations you have 3 solutions. So like this, we are just going to solve for this and find out how many solutions we have for k. Now you just need to cross multiply, right? Okay, so after cross multiplying, what do we have? We have an identity here. Can you see in the numerator? K plus 1 the whole square. So we are just going to expand that. That's k square plus 2k plus 1, and then after cross multiplying k the other side, we have 4k squared. Now bring all the terms this side because I want my k to be positive. So 4k squared minus k squared, that's 3k squared. Sending other side, that becomes minus 2k. Send 1 the other side, minus 1 equals to 0. Now you have a quadratic equation, 3k squared minus 2k minus 1. So your product should be minus 3k squared and your sum should be minus 2k. You should have a factors like that. So after factorizing, you get the factors as 3k, when you take out common, 3k plus 1, and the other one you're going to get is a k minus 1. Okay, these are the two factors which you're going to get. So you have the values of k, that's equal to minus 1 over 3, and k is equal to 1. So you have two solutions for k. But hold on, here what do we have to check? Whether none of the solutions make the denominator 0. Your denominator should not become 0 after substituting your solutions. So here it's, if you put on minus 1 by 3, your denominator is not 0. If you put on 1 as well, your denominator does not become 0. So your answer is C. That means they both are the solutions to this equation. Alright, let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4 here says, you have an equation. What is the solution set of the equation above? So now you have been given 4 options. You can try it yourself and check out for the answers. Now what are we going to do? First, we can take out the least common multiple. That's the LCM of the left hand side. So let's take, that's x into x plus 2. Now multiply 3 into x plus 2 minus x into x, that's x squared, is equal to 2 divided by x plus 2. Now what do I do? Cross multiply. Yes. So I'm going to get, now I'm going to simultaneously, I'm going to work out both the sides. That's 3 times x, 3x, plus 3 times 2 is 6, minus x squared is equal to 2 times x. X plus 2, x plus 2, when I take the other side, or I'll write it for you, it gets cancelled out like this. So you have 2x remaining here. Now when I bring all the terms one side, that means I want to make my x positive. So I'm going to bring all of them to the right hand side. So it will become x squared. 2x minus 3x will give me minus x. And I'll have a negative 6 equals to 0. Now to find the factors of minus 6x squared, product should be minus 6x squared. And your sum should be minus x. So what are the two factors of 6 which I can take? I can take 2 and 3. Yes. So I'm showing you how I did factorization here a little bit in detail, how to take out the factors. So here you have x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus x equals to 0. So you have minus 3x plus 2x, you'll get minus x. Minus into plus minus 6x squared. So now let's take out x common. That's x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3. So you have two factors, that's x minus 3 and x plus 2. So your x is equal to 3 comma minus 2. But hold on, we have to check. You have to substitute these two solutions in the denominator and check whether the denominator becomes 0, then it is not a solution for this equation. So if you substitute 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5. So 3 is the solution for this equation. Now let's substitute negative 2, negative 2 plus 2, 0. So 2 is not the solution, only 3. So your answer is D. Alright guys, so we'll be continuing some more questions in our next session. I hope you all enjoyed this session, and if at all you like this, please subscribe, share it with your friends as well. And if at all you have any doubts or anything you want to know, you can comment it in the comment box. And thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.